Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at 5 different setup hacks you can implicate into your setup to make it look cooler or just add a bit more flair. With that being said, let's get right into the first product. Now the first item on our list today is a wireless charger. Now this one that I have over here literally has no brand. I just found the cheapest one on Amazon, which I got for $10, and it supports fast charging and gets the job done. That's pretty much all I can ask for in a wireless charger. Now the second item on our list today is a pair of $25 Logitech desktop speakers, the Z150s. Now these speakers are pretty much the bare bones when it comes to speakers. You've got your volume knob, you can input a 3.5mm headphone jack if you want to use your headphones, and you have a little cavity there which I honestly have no idea what it's for. Maybe it's acoustics, maybe it's just visual representation, but that's pretty much it. Now the third item on our list is a very interesting one, and it's not one that I've seen before, so I'll let Matt tell you a bit more about that one.
Hey guys, Matt here. So I have to say this next product is not something I would usually use. It's a mini neck fan that you can use to cool down if you have a long session of work or gaming and you're heating up a little bit. It honestly wasn't too bad. I mean, it does look a little weird, but the functionality is there, and you can even add like perfume or aromatherapy and get that going in there. And you don't actually have to wear it around your neck. You can put it on your desk and use it as a normal fan. And it also has RGBs, which of course, why not? I mean, it's a weird product, but it is, the functionality's there, so I can't complain too much.
Thanks, Matt. And yeah, personally, it seems like a weird piece of tech, but I was surprised that it works very well. You could even use it, I guess, when you're going out for a walk or if you're running some errands. Now, if you know MS Tech, you know we love mouse pads. And this mouse pad here visually is astonishing. I really like the look, and for only $8, you can't really go wrong. One thing I will say that after using it for a while, I did feel like for some reason my glides were a bit harder, but aside from that, beautiful mousepad. Now the final item on our list is on sale for $15 at the time of this recording, and it's a really simple addition. We've got PPT backlit double shot keycaps from Havit, and these bad boys honestly do a lot. Now the best way to explain what these keycaps do is that they give the illusion that light is being spread out a lot more evenly throughout the entire keyboard, meaning if you're in a dark setting and your keyboard only illuminates a little portion of the keys, with these keycaps, it illuminates a lot more of it. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. And if you want to purchase any of these products yourself, the link to those are in the description below. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.